Hey everybody, it is me and I'm on the road. I cut out all the boring stuff, but I have a really big weekend planned. It's going to be a lot of kilometers in the truck. It's going to be almost 1,200 kilometers in the truck this weekend to hit the waterfalls I want to hit. First. This is a heck of a trip. This is the Walmart in Hinton. Basically, bought my first life here. Go check it out. Wow! In all of my life, I have never had a trip like that. I have not been in that store since 2006. That's 20 years. But I can actually remember specific purchases that I made in specific spots in that store when I was in there. So I couldn't have picked the store out from the inside from a lineup at all. But once I got in there, I could remember being in specific spots. That's crazy. The brain is nuts. Anyways, I'm bailing because that's sad. I'm going to the Safeway. I'm going to go to where Holly used to work too. See if that's still there. Well, that was a mind trip. The Walmart and the Safeway. Anyways, leaving Hinton now. Made a reservation for Greg Lake Campground. See you there. Well, I'm climbing up Highway 40 right now, and the brain is a really strange thing. I am remembering calls I did on this highway, a couple really bad car accidents that I could have never remembered, but I just drove past the spot and I could see it like it was yesterday. Wow, that's a trauma brain for you. That's really interesting. One was a body job tanker rollover into a creek, and then the other one was a head-on collision that I did up here too, right on this curve. Very creepy. Well, let's try camping out in a tent. Well, good morning. I made it through the night. I wasn't really worried about it. But I just want to share that, like, even out here and even on my adventures, I start off every morning exactly the same. It's in the Bible, reading, and with a cup of coffee, spending my time with the Lord.